everybody. It's time for worldly treats with no meats. Today's destination is the British Indian Ocean Territory. This is a rather interesting location with a checkered past. Once again, we're going to do something a little different this time. The British Indian Ocean Territory is an archipelago of small islands located, as the name would imply, in the Indian Ocean. It is located directly south of the Maldives and somewhat northeast of Madagascar. The largest island is Diego Garcia, sitting about 44 square kilometers. The islands were originally known as the Chagos Islands. They were discovered by French explorers who claimed the islands as part of Mauritius. It was then settled by African slaves and Indian workers, forming ethnic groups called the Chagosians. In 1965, the United Kingdom decided to use the island to form the British Indian Ocean Territory, separating it from Mauritius and the Seychelles. Having purchased all the plantations located there, they planned to build military facilities that both the UK and the USA could benefit from. The following year, in order to facilitate this, the United Kingdom forcibly removed all 2,000 Chagosians who were living on the island. Since 1966, the islands have only been inhabited by military personnel. In fact, tourists are not permitted to visit the islands. Both Mauritius and the Chagosians have made attempts to reclaim the island, but these have so far been unsuccessful. Though there is no longer a native population on the archipelago, today we are going to be cooking a Chagosian dish. For this you will need a half a pound of brown lentils, cooking oil, 1 large onion sliced, 4 garlic cloves crushed, 1 teaspoon of ginger finely diced, 2 large tomatoes diced, 1 sprig of fresh thyme crumbled, 2 bay leaves, and salt. Cook the onions in hot oil until they are soft. Then add the ginger and garlic and keep cooking for 1 or 2 more minutes. Add the tomatoes, thyme, and bay leaves. And continue to cook, stirring until the tomatoes are soft. Add the lentils and enough water to cover. Bring to a boil, then reduce heat and cover. Simmer for a couple of hours, topping with water as necessary. The finished lentils should be more of a thick stew than a soup. Add salt to taste and enjoy. Good texture, lots of flavor, mixed flavors. Yeah, very good. Oh, that was very good. Very tasty. Lots of different flavors. The fresh herbs really helped, I think, and the onion. I just really liked it, and I will eat it again and again.